Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a makeup challenge for the look I am wearing today. Although it looks simple, but I used pretty much all the products that you need in a full makeup routine, such as your contouring, blush, highlights, lipstick, eyeliners, eyelashes, eyelash curler, mascara, your eyebrows, etc, etc. Although it's not comprehensive, but I would still call it this is a full makeup. So the challenge is, can I do this within 10 minutes? If you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. Okay, let's start the challenge. I've set my phone and it's a timer for 10 minutes and I have everything in front of me now. I'm a little bit nervous. Right, what I'll do is I am not gonna go through all the products that I use on my face. In the meantime, I will do it at the end of the video. So let's get started. I love this foundation. It's very smooth and you can actually just apply like this. It's like serum, your moisturizer. It's good coverage. Well, not like light to medium coverage. For day-to-day use, this is good enough. Just quickly tap with the sponge just to make it even. Now, oh God! Okay, that's set. The face. Now is my eyebrow. Contour my eyes. Now I am going to do my eyes. It will be a very simple one by just using your contour palette and one more eyeshadow. Okay, then you can just choose any eyeshadow you have in hand, just slightly darker color than your contour color. So I've chose this one and this color, dip in and just pat at last 1/3 of your eyelid, then just blend it out. Oh my god. I got 2 more things to go. That was very close. Right, let's see how long it actually takes for me to finish my full face makeup. I will do a stopwatch, so let's see how long for finishing the rest. Oh, now I actually relaxed a little bit. Oh, it's very scary that you can actually see the countdown from my mirror. So I only got, now I can talk to you guys. Now I only got the highlight, and finish with a lipstick. Okay, then if you like your face, if you like your makeup to last longer, you always using a setting spray. Right, I am done. I just need 1.5 minutes to finish this. But I think there were a few steps that I probably wasted a little bit of time. I think I'd give it another few times practice, then I'll probably be able to do it within 1 minute. Sorry, I'll probably be able to do it within 10 minutes. I think, well, although I failed to do all of this within 10 minutes, but I wasn't far off. It was only 1.5 minutes more. So I quickly, just to go through the product that I used on my face. I used the foundation from Bonrjois Serum foundation. I think this one is quite popular already. Healthy mixed serum. Ooh, come on, focus. And my number is N52. This brand is certainly on my top 3 drugstore brands. And this one is very easy to blend it out. It's very creamy, smooth. The texture, you just really feel like you put moisturizer or serums on your face. This one for me, just for day-to-day use, the coverage is enough. You can build to medium coverage, especially if you don't have too much skin trouble. This one is very good for day-to-day use. And the concealer I use is a Tarte shaped tape concealer, and my color is fair light. This has a number, yes, 16N. Again, this is not new product. I've been using this forever and always loved it. It's very, it sits on your skin very well. It doesn't sunk into your wrinkles. It doesn't sit on your pores. The coverage is really good, especially for highlighting your face and also under eye area. I've been using this really much forever. My setting powder, which I think I mentioned on my last few videos, is Florasis translucent powder. This one I highly recommend for oily skin. It sets the foundation very well. It is matte finish, but after a few hours, once your foundation and this powder blend into your skin and you have a little bit face oil come out, it makes your skin look very natural glow, and it lasts very long. I put this on with a setting spray, both of them together, which I would, let's mention the setting spray. The setting spray I'm using is the L'Oreal one. This one, before you use, you need to shake it. It has the powder sitting at the bottom, and then after you shake it, then just spray on the face. The only little bit of downside for this is the spray. you got to be careful because it's like a big rain and just dropping on your face. So it's not pleasant to feel, but it lasts really good. I don't know whether you guys can see. It's a little bit too aggressive as the spray head, but other than that, this one I would highly recommend. Again, it's a drugstore. I normally have like 5 bottles. I store it up in my drawers. So when I don't know what to set in my face, I always grab this one. For both of them, if you use this powder and a setting spray together, it can last over 8 hours without any problem. Then move on to contour. I don't need to mention again. Mooisway. Mooisway's one. Sorry, this is a little bit dirty. It's too much reflection, so I put the pictures over here. Is Mooisway's contour palette. Again, it's normally in my bag. Contour is my life, so can't live without it. The other eyeshadow I used is from a drugstore brand called JudyDoll. It's very cute. I'm trying a few other products from this brand as well. So far so good. And I use the color, this is like a brown purple color. The powder itself is very fine. I will use a few more times and let you guys know. Blush I use is NARS one. This one will be in my favorites, just so you know. And the color is Behave. And that's what the color look like. It is very, very natural, day-to-day use, and pretty much it goes with any makeup you put on your face. It gives you a natural, fresh and healthy look. Lipstick I use this time is a Chanel one. I like the packaging, black and gold, always nice. The color is, the color is 807. It's a very creamy lipstick, therefore it doesn't last that long, so you will have to reapply it if you have a, if you had a drink or you go for a meal. But I really like the color. It's like nude, pink nude color. Is very easy to glide on the lip and doesn't sit between your lines as well, and it's pretty much goes with any everyday makeup. So this one normally just sit in my bag. The highlighter I used at this time, again, is also well known, is Laura Mercier's highlight number 01. Oh, come on, focus. If you like just a natural glow on your face, you don't like too much bling or sheen, sit on your cheek, this is the go-to. This one is very popular. So many YouTubers recommended this. Is champagne, natural champagne sheen. Yes, now you can see. See, it's a natural glow. I always concerned about highlights gonna just emphasize my pores on my face. This one does not have that problem. Just quickly let you guys know the mascara, eyeliners and eyebrows. Eyebrows mentioned the Florasis one. I think it was an unboxing video I did for this one. I've been using this every single day. This is really good. Again, eyeliner is a Chinese brand, very, very good, very smooth, lasts long. It's called the Flamingo. It is a gel pencil. For eyeliners, guys, it's always good for yourself to try it, because it doesn't matter, who says this eyeliner sits very well and lasts forever. It all sits well on their eyes, not necessarily for yourself. I used so many eyeliners that was highly recommended by different people or by YouTubers as well. I tried them on my eyes, and yeah, may last long for about 2-3 hours, but afterwards it start coming down to the bottom of my eyes, getting or have drops just under here. Eyeliners, I find that you just have to try yourself, because everyone's eyelids are very different and the eyeliners react different on your own eyes as well. Kiss Me's waterproof mascara, very well known, so I'm not gonna go through the details. Right, hope you liked today's video, and I think I will give a little bit more practice and try to get everything in within 10 minutes. I may, you know, do it again when I think, when I'm a little bit more confident on it. Although today is not a comprehensive full face makeup, but you know, I've used pretty much everything, and so still I'm quite proud of myself. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked today's video, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumb up, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video.